What is the use of move command in AutoCAD? This command is used for move to any object, which object you are select. Now we learn with example. I have this drawing. I want to move this object. You can select the move command on draw panel or shortcut key on your keyboard. I will select from the keyboard M, then press enter. Now this command is active. I want to move these wash basin, this corner to another corner. Select the all object and specify the start point for the move. Then click specify the second point where you want this object. I want to this corner. So second click this corner. You see, this is the use of move command. Also I want to any object to move. I can first active the command. I will active from draw panel. Then I want to move this object. I want to select, specify the first point, then specify the second point where you want to move. I want to move here, click here. So this is the use of move command. Thank you.